Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. And today we have our helper, James.
Hi.
And our helper is going to unbox another Ryan's World toy. What toy do we have today, James?
Today we have the Ryan's World Mystery Squishy Figure Series 3. Here are all the characters we could collect. We could collect regular Red Titan, Dino, Blue Ryan, Alpha Alexa, Bill, Builder Ryan, Homeless Ryan, and the rare Combo Panda.
Right, let's look at what we got. So open it up.
Okay, so we could just open it up like this. This is for ages 3 and up.
So it's not for babies, right?
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Here did we get?
What did we get?
It looks like we got Builder Ryan
Oh, look at that. Builder Ryan.
with the water inside of the squish.
That's awesome. So today's quote from Anthony Robbins is, I challenge you to make your life a masterpiece. I challenge you to join the ranks of those people who live what they teach, who walk their talk. What this means is Mr. Robbins is saying we should live what we teach. If you tell others to be good, then you have to be good too. If you tell your friends to share their toys, then you have to share your toys too. If you tell your friends to listen to their teachers and parents, you have to listen to your teachers and parents too. So make your life a masterpiece from now and walk your talk. As we always say on this channel, it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. So it's not impossible for you to do that. You can walk your talk. It's not impossible because you're unstoppable. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.